Probes display and connection. Cold and hot hammer probe connection. Ultrasonic probe connection. RF probe connection. Water spray jet connection. Fill bottle with mineral water. Twist the cap on and align with the back slot. Rotate it by 15 degrees clockwise. Press on the breathing button. Hydrogen-oxygen cleaning, anti-oxidation, delay agent regulation. Select water volume. Then select suction. Turn on hydrogen-oxygen option. Wait for a minute. Start the process after the water turns white. Operation techniques. Leave the probe from bottom to top to clean. Then move it from forehead up to the hairline. Twist the probe to clean on both sides of the nose bridge. Oxygen injection. Oxygen injection. Spray nutrients evenly on face. Place the nozzle 10 centimeters away from the face and swing it back and forth. Ultrasonic mode. Energy level. Skin type. Normal. Sensitive. Problematic. Start ultrasonic treatment. It's mainly used to better nutrients absorption, improve blood circulation, boost metabolism, and enhance skin permeability. RF mode. Energy level. Skin type. Normal. Sensitive. Problematic. Start RF treatment. It's mainly used to remove wrinkles, lift and tighten skin. Cold hammer. Cold hammer selection. Temperature adjustment. Start the treatment and wait for 1 minute. Cold hammer can shrink pores, calm skin, and improve redness. Temperature setting ranges from 15 to 20 degrees. Hot hammer. Hot hammer selection. Temperature adjustment. Start hot hammer treatment. Hot hammer can open up pores, improve blood circulation, and boost metabolism. Temperature setting ranges from 40 to 55 degrees.